Energy stored in case of an inductor. We know that when an AC is being supplied to an inductor, the current in that increases from 0 to maximum value. And due to that current, an EMF is being induced, that is given by E is equal to L di by dt. Okay, L di by dt. Here we are ignoring the negative sign. Okay, so due to this induced EMF and to maintain this current in the inductor, some work has to be done, right? And that work done is stored in the form of magnetic potential energy in case of inductor. Okay, in case of inductor. And let us now calculate what amount of energy is being stored. Let dw by dt represent the rate of doing work, and that is given by E into I. We know that rate of doing work is power and power is V into I. So exactly in that way dw by dt is E into I. Now putting the value of E from here, dw by dt is equal to L I. This is I, this is L, this is di by dt. di by dt. dt to dt cancel out. We are left with dw is equal to L I di. Now total work done can be calculated by integrating. So we'll integrate this. In that case, we can have W is equal to integration L I di. L is constant taken outside. So we will be having I di, which is equal to L I square by 2. So this is the magnetic potential energy which is stored in the form of work done and is given by 1 by 2 L I square. Right. Now one formula is for this and another formula we can calculate. We know that in case of a solenoid, the magnetic field B is given by mu naught N I by L, where L is the length of the inductor, right? And L is given by mu naught. L is what? Inductance of the solenoid, as we have done previously in previous chapter. That is given by L is equal to mu naught N square A divided by L. So from here we can get the value of I. I is equal to BL upon mu naught N I. So putting the value of I and L in this equation. Okay, so now putting I is equal to this and L is equal to this in this equation. So UB is equal to W is equal to 1 by 2. L is mu naught N square A by small l, which is the length of the inductor, and I square is B square L square upon mu naught square. This is N square and this is L, mu naught N. Okay, so this is N only, so N square. So from here L is cancelled out with L, this 1 mu naught is cancelled out with this mu naught, this N square is cancelled out with this. So we are left with 1 by 2, this is B square and this is 1L and this is A. So this is AL upon 1 mu naught is left, this is mu naught. So that is B square by 2 mu naught into AL is equal to energy stored or amount of work done in case of an solenoid.